Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here, and today we are taking a look at the couple of cases from the iBlossom for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before we get into this, I would like to thank iBlossom for sending this out to me to review for you guys. And as always, if you wanna pick them up, you can buy it directly from the link down in the description. Now let's open the package. Well, it is a Cosmos series case named the Marble Pink. The really cool thing about this case is that it does have the built-in screen protector, which protects the device against the scratches and the cracks. It is just a plastic screen protector which is nicely built in. The back looks fresh and clean. The anti-scratches back plates and the raised bezel that keeps the camera from touching the ground gives the case the superior protection. It is a wireless charging compatible case, which is a really a good thing, and this case gives the superior protection. On the bottom side there is a seizable cutout. On the other side, this is a Aries series case named Clear Rugged Case Black. This case does also have the built-in screen protector, which is really a good thing. It means you have 360-degree protection from the back and from the front. Well, on the back here you can see that there is a scratch resistant glass on the back. On the side corner there are 4 TPU bumpers. It protects the device from the bumps and falls. It is also a wireless charging compatible case.